Hello guys, welcome to my channel. In this video I am going to unbox MagSafe charger. Recently I have purchased this from Apple store for 4500 rupees. This charger I bought for my iPhone 12 Pro Max. This is a wireless charger. So today we will just unbox this, and also I'll just demonstrate how this is going to work for my iPhone 12 Pro Max, and also we'll just test with without case, and also we'll test with case. So let's see um, how it is working, and how the charging is happening, and what are the benefits with case and without case, and how the magnetic power will be there for both in both the scenarios. Let's just check out quickly. And in the box we got the user manual, so if you want to read it, just go through it, or else I'm just keeping it aside, and just quickly open the package. So on top of the package you can see designed by Apple in California. And let's quickly go inside the package. So inside the package we have MagSafe charger, and this is type C port, we can see. And this is how they packed. And here we have the charger cable on the left, and dock on the right. Just quickly open it up. So I'm just analyzing the package, guys, so that's the reason I'm just taking some time. But anyhow, I just opened it. And why I purchased this is because if you are going for iPhone 11 or 12, so it's better to have wireless charger. That will help in some scenarios, like if you want to if you don't have AirPods, and if you want to listen music in headphones, and also as well as parallelly want to charge the mobile. So in that case you can easily go for the MagSafe. So you can dock in the back of the iPhone, and also you can plug in your headphones and you can listen the music. So why? Because in iPhones we have only one port. We have to use that port for charging and also for headphones. If you're not having headphones and if you're having AirPods, it's fine. But if you have earphones, then it's better to have the wireless charger. So this is my iPhone 12 Pro Max. Recently I purchased. It's a Pacific Blue version, 12 Pro Max, 512 GB. And let's just quickly test it, how this docking happening, and how the wireless charging is happening, and what is the magnetic power. Everything will just check. Look, the magnetic power without case was so strong, guys. Look, the phone not even falling down. It is having good magnetic power. And just quickly plug it, and let's check whether this is working or not. Boom. Yep, it's working, guys. It's working fine, and you can see the green symbol on the top right. It's working fine, and the magnetic power was so high. And you can see my phone is getting charged. Perfect. And just try with on air. If I give some gap, will it pull automatically towards the phone? Yes, see, I just given some gap between the dock and phone. Automatically it is getting pulled to the phone. Perfect. Now just try with the case. This case recently I bought, and it's cost around 600 rupees. And this case is looking great, and also durability, performance, everything. I like this case. Affix case. And look, guys, with the case also we are able to charge up our mobile with MagSafe. But the magnetic power is not strong, guys. I didn't test it, but magnetic power is not that strong. But anyways, it is getting charged. And that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching the video. See you all in the next video. Bye.